Please introduce yourself and your position and then proceed with your presentation.
Sure. Yes, thank you, Chairman Phillips. I'm John Shott with the Office of Probation Services and the Criminal Justice Advisory Board. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm here this morning to ask your authorization to submit a grant application to the Pennsylvania Commission on Crime and Delinquency for continued funding of the county's proactive intermediate punishment programs for fiscal year 2024-25. The intermediate punishment plan that we have in place offers viable alternatives to incarceration for eligible offenders, while still obviously sanctioning them for their misconduct, but also a way of managing the daily population at the Lebanon County Correctional Facility. Included as one of the major components of that plan, of course, are our three specialty courts: drug treatment court, veterans court, and DUI court. Drug treatment court being the most recent, which took effect in November 2022 and has been a very successful program to date. We also have electronic monitoring home confinement for offenders as an alternative form of sentencing as well. What you have before you is an advanced draft of the budget. It is not the final document. We're still looking at numbers and looking at other areas that we might be able to apply for IP funding for the next fiscal year. The deadline is May 1st, and we will have a final application ready by that time. There are other narratives that we're also working on and some attachments that we need to include, reports. All that is pretty routine. That'll fall together, and we will again have a final document by that deadline. The good news about this particular grant application is the fact that there's no local match required. So this is strictly state funding. So again, work will continue, but we need your authorization to proceed. So I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have about what we foresee for the next fiscal year.
Well, I'll start by getting a motion on the floor to approve the request for the $180,970 application.
Second that motion.
Okay, it's been moved and seconded. Any questions from anyone regarding the motion?
And that will probably be a bit higher. The final document will be probably more than that. I don't know exact figures, Commissioner, but it will be a little bit higher than that until we're done.
How long has this been going on, the grant? Do you have any idea?
Well, I started working for the county, the current position, in September 2012, and we had IP grants going at that time. There was a separation. There were electronic monitoring grants and there were intermediate punishment grants. So that's at least since 2012, 2013 fiscal year that we've been doing some form of an intermediate punishment grant.
Okay, but it's been quite a while. I just wondered.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Anything else? Not all in favor of the motion, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, same sign. So moved.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, John.
I appreciate everything.
Keep up
Thank
the
you,
good
sir.
work.
We'll try, and of course I can't